Well, tubes, hello, good morning. Well, it's not a bad day. There's a bit of sun, it's not too cold, and we're here in a nice parking area just behind the dunes. Well, we haven't got big hills in the Netherlands, but we've got dunes, as you can see. Ooh, must be about 10-15 meters. And what put my attention were these nice two trucks. Somebody shouting no pictures. Two nice cars. Brother and sister. Watch out for the legs. Well, here they go. You see him and you hear him. Just a short rendezvous. Well, tubes, from this nice dune area near Wassenaar, a nice suburb of The Hague. We seeing you. Bye bye.